This is the one that I was the most excited about out of all of them. Look at this, so much fun. I love this, all these baby dinosaurs. It is plushie day on the Dinosaur Channel. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Dinosaur Channel. This is your home on the internet for all things dinosaur and prehistoric. We've got a bunch of Jurassic World Dominion plush toys to open up today. If you guys have been following this channel for any stretch of time, you know that baby dinosaurs and plush Jurassic Park stuff, that's my jam. I love it. I've got literally a whole section here that's just like a plush collection of Jurassic World Dominion stuff. You can see I'm decked out in my Jurassic World Dominion Dr. Pepper hat. I got this thing on eBay. It's the Carl's Jr. hat. I'm full Dominion mode right now. So we've got some really fun stuff. These are some of the new Jurassic World Dominion Jurassic Park style Dilophosaurus, Brachiosaurus from the claw machine. And then we've got I think it's an Amazon exclusive, T-Rex, Blue, Carnotaurus, and Giga. These are the new Cuddle Pals. I forgot exactly what they're called, but we've got a cool selection of some theropod dinosaurs right here. So we're gonna go one by one. We're gonna check it all out. I do want to remind you guys right now to subscribe and turn on those notifications because we are covering information, toys, tips, tricks, whatever you want to know about Jurassic World Dominion, Jurassic Park, the whole franchise. And obviously, if you become a member, you'll unlock some cool icons and emojis that you can use when interacting with on our channel. It'll help us out big time. So let's get into it. Let's talk about the first one. This is the one that I was the most excited about out of all of them. This is the Jurassic Park claw machine Brachiosaurus plush doll. Now, from everything that I know in the Jurassic franchise, we do not have many Brachiosaurus plush dolls. We've got one that you see right here behind me, which is ugly as all shit. I love it, don't get me wrong, it's original, it's nostalgic, but it's one of the ugliest things that exist ever. We also have another one that's a really big version of that one, but we've never, to my knowledge, gotten a baby Brachiosaurus. Now, you guys tell me, does this not look like Firecracker from Camp Cretaceous? This is a depiction, I think, of a good enough depiction of Firecracker from Camp Cretaceous. This is the little McDonald's figurine that was not released in the United States that I know of from McDonald's with the Happy Meals, little baby Brachiosaurus. Check that out. That symbolism is pretty uncanny and it makes me very happy. Now, when I saw this thing, I mean, I overpaid for it for sure. I think I got the two of these on eBay for like 30 US, maybe even more. It could have been 40 US. So it's a bit pricey, but man, do I love this plush. It's got the little Jurassic World symbol down here. We've got a really nice tag from Jurassic Park. It's made by Toy Factory, manufactured here in Texas, in the United States. And it's a 4-piece. I think there's a T-Rex one and a Velociraptor as well that comes with it. Yeah, this was just, I love this guy. He's my favorite, this little Brachiosaurus. He's got this really chunky neck, this really chubby, and the plush is so tightly packed. This is like, oh man, I love this. It feels so good. It's like velvety. It's fun to hold, fun to play with. Like if I was a kid, I undoubtedly think that I will probably buy another one of these to give to my child whenever I have a child in the future, because I would love for them to grow up having this as their sort of iconic plush toy. I absolutely love this. This has got to be one of my favorite Jurassic Park merchandise I've ever seen, ever. I'm in love with this thing. All right, so that's that one on the side. Then we've got the cutest freaking Dilophosaurus I've ever seen. We've gotten a few Dilophosaurus plush toys now, but this one's just adorable. It's so cute. Look at that thing. Its face is so much longer than I've ever seen a depiction of it. And again, really packed in, very velvety, very soft. They really did a great number on these. They really give me like a very carnival-ish look, but they're high quality, like very high quality. The stitching in the eyes, really nice stuff here. Like I absolutely love this. The frill too, it just looks amazing, and the fact that it's sort of foldable, you can fold it back, you can fold it forward. It's phenomenal. These are just amazing. I love them very much. Dilophosaurus being one of my favorite, and they even have this cool tag down here with the Jurassic Park logo. It says safety tested for all ages, 0, manufactured by Toy Factory, LLC, and Amblin Entertainment. Data manufacturer, January 2022. So yeah, these are Jurassic Park 8-inch plush dolls, manufactured for the release and hype of Jurassic World Dominion. So super cool. And they've got the nostalgic Jurassic Park logo on it. Love these guys. This is awesome. Seriously, this is like some of my favorite. I just love the styling. Look at that Brachiosaurus. It's so cool. This is like such a little, oh, I love it so much. So great. Fantastic stuff here. So now let's get into the real interesting stuff. This is the 4-pack that comes on Amazon. It'll run you about 32 bucks with tax. It's got awesome Jurassic World Dominion printing on the outside there, so I'm definitely going to be opening this one up carefully. I will try. I always screw it up somehow, but it's already sort of perforated. So I'll try to open it just enough where I can rip these guys out and put them back in after. I'm a big sucker of this packaging for Dominion. I just love anything Dominion related. It makes me very happy. All right, I think that's a good enough size here where we'll be able to pull them out one by one. Okay, now these guys are epic. Let's start with the first one. We've got Carnotaurus. Now, this is not Toro from Camp Cretaceous, but this is the Devil Rex from like the original. Honestly, I wasn't alive when these toys came out, they might have come out for the Lost World, but I don't think I was alive for the original Kenner line yet. But this is, from what I've seen, the old Kenner toy of the Devil Carnotaurus. Look at that. It's so cool. This ash gray, red color. So the texture, very soft, not packed in very full, so very squeezable. But the mold, the model is beautiful. That's so good. They got the little arms of the Carnotaurus, like they did it perfectly. This is such a cool plush doll, man. More Jurassic World plushies make me happy. The first batch that came out for the OG Jurassic World, I like them, don't get me wrong, they're nostalgic to me because it reminds me of the first Jurassic World, but they are abominations. Everything that what's it called, did back then, Kenner, it was Kenner, right, that produced these? Or Hasbro, sorry, everything that Hasbro produced for Jurassic World, we're just like, look at the Mosasaurus and the freaking T-Rex, look at the eyebrows on this T-Rex, dude. Look at the eyebrows on this thing. It's just abominations. I love them, don't get me wrong. I'm nostalgic about it, but they're not my favorite. This is like next level. That's a high quality Carnotaurus. Look at that thing. That's awesome. That is super, super cool. So I really, really love this one. Really excited to have this. It's even got these little felt claws. Just great stuff. Got the Jurassic World logo down there. So that's great. Tag. We got Jurassic World Dominion on it. Universal Studios, surface washable only, manufactured 2022, Universal and emblem, all the good stuff. So that's Carnotaurus right there. Really awesome. Next up, we've got the famous Tyrannosaurus Rex, or Rexy. This has got to be one of the better plush dolls of Rexy that I've seen come out in the Jurassic World franchise. Again, very soft, very cuddly, really nice fur on the outside. Love the mold. Like, we're getting actually kind of close to what Rexy actually looks like. Let me see your comparison. Are the arms shorter? It's about the same exact arms for the Rex and Carnotaurus, actually. Actually, it's exactly the same arms. Same claws on there, same arms. I think same feet. Might be the same exact body, actually, just the head's different. So that's that right there. Beautiful stuff. Love it. Mine seems to have a little bit of a weird spot there on the fur, but great stuff. Like, these are great little teddy bears. I love them very much. Next up, the one that I'm the most excited for, and pretty much the reason that I bought this, we've got the Giganotosaurus. Oh my god, that's so cool. Cool. Look, I loved the Giga in Jurassic World Dominion. While I didn't love the way that it behaved, I did end up really loving the model and the way that it looked. And this is so cool. This is my first, like, Giga merchandise properly, other than the Super Colossal that I reviewed a little while ago. Look at that. It's got proper scales all through the belly, which I don't think the other two have. Oh, the Rex doesn't have it, but the Carno has it a little bit. You can kind of see those scales. Look at that. That is awesome. Look at the scales down there. Cool color pattern too. It's not this puke green like the other one. It's more of this dark gray, more authentic to what was the movie was. We've got this very weird inverted eyebrow ridge up there. But it just, you know, it looks a little goofy, a little cute, nice little smile. Definitely looks angry and grumpy like he does in the movie. Arms are a little bit different for sure from the Rex and the Giga. It's more splayed out like this. So you can see those arms are kind of looks like a zombie almost. And we got the Jurassic World Dominion logo down there. Nothing much other to say to that. The top is similar enough to the Carnotaurus with that scaling pattern, but this one has more of like a scales and this has more of a stripes. And you can obviously see the ridge on top, the little back ridge that the Giga has in the movie. Fantastic stuff. This is awesome. For 30 bucks for all four of these, I'm very, very happy. This, you know, the Jurassic World Dominion merchandise prices have been expensive this time around, especially compared to Fallen Kingdom. Inflation, everything that's going on in the United States right now and around the world, it's made stuff expensive, but this is one of the best deals I've seen so far. And then we've got Blue, and this is so great. I wouldn't say that this is my favorite plush of Blue. There was a Fallen Kingdom line of Baby Blue that came out with an egg and the reversible one of the egg and the T-Rex. I think that was probably the best plush. This is cool nonetheless. I really like the color pattern here. I think if they would have ran with a little bit of a darker gray, it might have looked a little bit better, but she's very angry. She looks very pissed off, like as if Beta just got kidnapped or something. I wouldn't know, spoiler alert. But yeah, this is cool. They even did her dew claw, her little killer claw right there. So you can see it's actually highlighted. We've got 3 separate claws and longer arms than all the other ones. So all 3 other theropods were shorter armed. These are definitely longer armed and at a different angle. She looks all right. This is, again, not my favorite depiction of Blue, but cool nonetheless. I think there's way better Blue merchandise out there. It's not the reason that I bought this pack, but I'm not disappointed by it or anything. I do love it. Again, the more plushes for me from Jurassic World, the happier that I'll be. Look at this, so much fun. I love this, all these baby dinosaurs. So the next thing that I'm trying to get my hands on, and I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it because I'm leaving the country for a long time soon, is the Jurassic World Bark Box collection. It's very hard to get your hands on for a decent price, because BarkBox actually doesn't sell it to you individually. I'm having to buy them up slowly individually, and they're very expensive, the reseller price on eBay. I really would like to review those, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it before I leave the country, so it might have to be something that I do when I get back to the United States whenever I leave. But that, again, my friends, is my review of all these amazing plush dolls. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it severely, and obviously subscribe and turn those notifications so you don't miss a single dinosaur video that we produce here on the Dinosaur Channel. And of course, become a member by joining our channel. You can unlock cool emojis and icons that you can use when interacting with our channel. I appreciate you guys so much for watching the videos and always subscribing and giving us support. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, guys.